I'm going to share with you today a lovely little project using the Water Meadow range of fabrics from Lewis and Irene. It's in their autumn-winter collection and should be in the shops now. And Sally Ablett has created this delightful little project which is a perfect size for a rectangular cushion. I'm fortunate enough to have a variety of fabrics here. This cushion could be made with all the same piece sitting in all these little units, and it would look equally scrummy. If this ends up being slightly shorter than these guys, just trim all of these, just sew them and trim them all to fit. It's not going to make a huge bit of difference, and I promise you there's no quilt police going to come and check it for you. You've got big pieces on the side, you've got these pieces going top to bottom, you've got no horizontals to match. It's a delightful little unit to make.